So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 LTE version unbox video. So inside the box comes the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It's the black version of the watch. As you can see, it looks pretty stunning. The box only comes with the watch. I'll just open it now. So I've opened it. So when opening, I get the box with all the accessories with Samsung logo inwards, and the watch itself. It's a black color watch. I'll just remove it. So now we'll open this box. In this box we get the quick start guide and the warranty card. Then there's the magnetic charger. Yeah, that's pretty much it inside the watch. I'll just wear it now. As you can see, the watch looks really stunning on the hand. Thank you for watching. This is the unboxing video of Galaxy Watch 4.